Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to make you understand type 3 of trigonometric identities. Look here children, I have written type 3 is how you can identify that it is type 3. Whenever your numerator and denominator contains the same trigonometric ratio along with one and with a different or I can say opposite sign, then we have to perform a particular method. What we have to do, first of all, you see your right hand side that what you need to get. So it is cosec A plus cot A. That means I get cosec A when I will be dividing. The reciprocal of cosec A is what? Reciprocal of cosec A is 1 upon sin A. That means I will be dividing this complete numerator and denominator by sin A. If let's suppose if I get sec over here and 10 over here, then you know that reciprocal of sec is 1 by cos A. So I will be dividing the numerator and denominator by cos A. So in these types of questions, you have to see that what you want to get. If you want to get it as cosec A, then divide complete numerator and denominator by sin A. If you want to get sec A over here, then you have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos A. So here I want cosec A, so I will be dividing the numerator and the denominator by sin A. So let's divide it. This is my left hand side. So cos A, I am dividing each and every term by sin A because here it is written cosec A and reciprocal of cosec A is sin A. Minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Whole upon, this is again cos A, so I will be dividing it with sin A, plus sin A, so I will be dividing again it with sin A. This is minus 1 upon sin A. So I have divided numerator and denominator by sin A. Let's see what I get. Here I get it as cot A because cos A by sin A is cot A. Sin A and sin A gone, which is equal to minus 1. It is minus, so minus 1. Plus 1 upon sin A is cosec A. So I am writing here it as cosec A. Whole upon, again cos A by sin A is cot A. Sin A and sin A gone, so I am getting it as plus 1. Minus 1 upon sin A is cosec A. Now children, what you have to do, you have to rearrange it here. So I can write it as cot A plus cosec A. And then I am writing minus 1. Whole upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Alright children. So these are the things I am getting over here. Now why I am telling you this particular method? Because if you go by this method, the answer will come very easily. Otherwise you will be changing, you will be thinking and changing into some other form. It will take 2-3 pages and you will not reach to the desired point. Okay. So this is a particular method and the identification is that in the question 2 trigonometric ratios will be given to you along with 1 and the sign of the 1 will be opposite to each other. One is of plus and one is of minus. So simply what you have done, you have to see whether it is cosec or sec. If it is cosec, divided by sin A. If it is sec, then divided by cos A. After dividing, I will be getting like this and here I have arranged. Now children, what you have to do here, whatever thing you are getting over here, that means cot A minus cosec A. I am not taking plus 1. I am just taking cot A minus cosec A. Whatever things you are getting here, you multiply and divide with the same thing here. So it doesn't matter if you are dividing and multiplying with the same thing. Your question will remain unchanged. If you are dividing with the same thing, multiplying and dividing, then the question will remain same. Okay. This is the step we are doing to get our answer fast. Okay. Now what we can do here is, children, if you multiply this complete thing with this cot A plus cosec A, then this is A plus B and A minus B. So you will be getting it as A square minus B square. Okay. So this is one thing. And when you will be multiplying this thing with this, then you will be getting minus 1 multiplied by this will be cot A. And minus 1 multiplied this will be cosec A. In the denominator, you are not going to open the brackets, you will be writing them as it is. So this is cot A minus cosec A plus 1 and here it will be cot A minus cosec A. Alright. Now you know an identity. What is your identity? What is your identity? You know cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay. But here you are getting it as cot square A minus cosec square A. That means you are just getting the reversed order. Cot square A is of plus sign here it is of minus sign. Here cosec square A is of negative sign, but here it is of positive sign. So what I can do over here, I can take minus sign common from this, or I can say I can take minus sign out of this complete term. So if I take minus sign common, then what I will be getting? I will be getting it as cot square A minus cot square A plus cosec square A, and here I will be getting it as minus, this is one term, and here I am getting it as plus cot A minus cosec A. What I have done, I have just taken minus sign outside. So I will be getting it as now cot A minus cosec A plus 1, and denominator cot A minus cosec A. Now children, what is this? Minus cot square theta plus cosec square theta equal to 1. So I can replace this with 1. So minus, and I am getting here it as 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Okay. And downwards it is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. And cot A minus cosec A. Fine. Now children, you see here it is plus cot A, this is also plus cot A, this is minus cosec A, this is minus cosec A, this is plus 1, this is plus 1, and these are in product. So I can cancel this complete term with this complete term. So I will be just getting it as, minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A. Okay, let's see our right hand side. I need to get cosec A plus cot A in the numerator, and here I am getting it in the denominator. So what I have to do? I have to simply rationalize it. So this will be cot A plus cosec A whole upon cot A plus cosec A. What I have done? I have rationalized it. So rationalization, take the denominator, whatever the sign you are getting here, you take opposite of it. So above I am getting, yes, minus sign is over here. So minus, above I will be getting cot A plus cosec A whole upon, this will be A minus B, A plus B. And what is this? Cot square A minus cosec square A. Now children, again you see the same identity I am getting, but of different sign. Here cot is minus sign, here cot is of positive, here cosec is negative, but here it is positive. So again I can take common sign out of it. So I will be getting it as minus cot A plus cosec A in the numerator, and when I take out minus sign, it will get converted into cosec square A minus cot square A. Now what is this? This is nothing but 1. Minus and minus sign gone. So what I will be getting? I will be just getting cot A plus cosec A. And what is this? This is equal to right hand side. Therefore your left hand side equal to right hand side. You just have a look at it. Pause the video and see the complete solution.